One mistake which I have committed in my preparation, which costed me a lot, is welcome to my channel. I am Bhavana. I am a CA finalist, cleared my Group 2, preparing for my Group 1 exams in November 2020. Today I am going to share my mistakes which I have committed in my AMA preparation and my journey from fearing AMA to securing 57 marks in AMA. I found AMA tricky, as most of us know that even though we prepare 100 models of sums before the exam, in the examination hall we find the 101th model sum in AMA. So one mistake which I have committed in my preparation, which costed me a lot, is leaving away a chapter. I have left chapter 2 thinking that I have prepared every other chapter, and as chapter 2 is big, I thought I will leave it aside, prepare everything else perfectly so that I can score. But in AMA this strategy doesn't work. In AMA we have to prepare each and every chapter so that we can face any tough paper or any tricky questions in the exam. This increases the chance of scoring good marks or clearing the exam. And now I'll tell you that one practice which helped me clear the exam. That is practicing questions without seeing the answers. Yes, after realizing that in AMA it is not likely that we see the same questions from PM or SM in the exam, I found this idea that I have to practice without seeing the answers. So I used to read the question, think about the concept which I can apply on it, and try to answer the question. Once I answered the question, I used to check it with ICA, and once I used to compare, I used to know my mistakes and I used to remember it for a long time. And this type of practicing questions made me immune to the bounces which we usually face in the exam. If you are someone like me who's scared about the chapter 1 and chapter 2 because they are so big and you think that you can never complete those chapters, then I have a tip for you. Please don't see the chapter as a chapter like chapter 1 or chapter 2. Chapter 1 and chapter 2 consists of lots of small topics. See each topic as a chapter. Example, ABC costing. ABC costing is a topic in chapter 1, but you can see it as a chapter itself because it has its own concepts and it has its own problems. So you can take it as a chapter, complete it, and feel the accomplishment, and also feel that you have completed that chapter, that part of it. In that way you can break these big chapters into small chunks so that it can be completed easily. According to me, AMA consists of 3 parts. One is OR. We know the importance of OR and we prepare really well because it's scoring. And the second part is chapter 1 and chapter 2. And the third part is rest of all the chapters. For rest of all the chapters, standard costing, I have prepared only the formulas and I was able to apply the formulas in the exam. And standard costing, there is a little exemption. If you don't want to practice too much in standard costing, you can, because we have completed most of the standard costing concepts in CA Inter. So it is very easy to prepare the formulas, and also you can answer the questions in the exams. And in this way we have 3 parts of AMA, and we have to focus in each and every part because we cannot lose on any part in AMA to get a good score. If we have to score good and if we have to eliminate the risk, we have to focus on all the 3 parts. We cannot lose out on any part. In this way, I have identified my mistakes and practiced and overcame my fear and secured 57 marks in AMA. Hope this video added value to your preparation. Please comment down below any queries or any feedback. If you like my video, please support my channel by sharing the video and subscribing. Thank you for watching. All the best for your preparation.